Hi guys, you're welcome and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be taking us to Obudu. I'm going to be staying here for some days. I'm going to just put all the videos together so you see everything, because this place is really beautiful. It looks really beautiful, and we'll just decide in the comment section below if we like it. Thank you. Let's go. So the journey started at 12:45. If I'm being correct, I'll put the time somewhere around in the video, either to my left or to my right hand side, but I know we started something around 12:40 something. So and we got downhill by 7 something, and then from downhill we had to take another cab that took us somewhere to Utanga. I think I'm going to put the name of the place right here. And then from Utanga we took another cab that took us up into the ranch. So it was one hell of a journey. It was one hell of a journey, and we got up ranch I think by 9 something p.m. Yeah, 9 p.m. ish. So we got to the reception, and I liked the Africanness of the reception. I like the Africanness of the whole of this ranch. Actually, it is too nice, you guys. If you're coming here, if you're coming to Obudu, what I'll have to tell you is, see, plan and be specific about what you're planning. Be specific, and have someone that is conversant with this environment. You just need to have someone, so that you cut so many things actually. And then when you're coming here, you need big clothes. You need sweatshirts, you need sweater, whatever we call it. See, you need me. I'm like this because look at my leg. I'm wearing a socks, and I'm wearing this really big joggers kind of thing. And I like cold so much, but it is freezing cold right now. So you guys, you have to come prepared. Come with, if you have blankets, come with blankets, come with sweater, come with big trousers, because even when there's sun, like sun they shine, but you're cold. You guys, look at me. I'm being sun-kissed, but look behind me. It's the clouds, and it's really cold. But see, this place is just mad. It's just mad. Comment in the comment section down below. The balcony. Coming. This is okay. This is like a sitting area. Wow. Wow. Oh, this is the balcony though.
Yes,
Mad. This place is really nice.
When I inside this room,
Yeah.
you can follow this balcony. There's another
Oh,
room.
oh, this is another room. Oh wow. Oh, nice.
So, how many rooms are inside?
Yeah, 3.
Okay.
Yeah, this is the bathroom.
Okay. Mad.
I can be giving you water. I will hot water, and I will be taking on the bike to bring for you.
I can't stress you like that. I won't lie you.
That's one hell of a stress.
I cannot stress you like that.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yes. Let's go to this one. The master used to stay up.
Oh, let's go up. Okay.
Yes.
Oh, this bedroom is really big. I think this is the biggest bedroom inside here.
Yes. Where we connect the heater.
Okay.
Yes. We just put it. It will just get water for all of you.
Yes. Hot water.
Yes. Okay.
Because hot water is necessary.
Yes. Thank you.
Okay. Okay. This side is mad.
There are the people who stay here.
Okay.
Wait, but the spa is not working.
It's obviously there. Look at broken glasses. Everywhere is dead.
Hey God.
If you go there, master.
Oh my God. Careful, Lord.
Can you come here?
Yes.
You bend down?
Yes, I can
Yes,
bend down.
Come here. Don't be scared.
I'm not scared though. I'm not
As
scared.
far as you are
Well, with you.
I will take you to H channel.
Okay.
You look at this.
Wow.
This was the restaurant.
Mad.
Look at the restaurant. And come on. You want to drink water?
Okay. Whoa. Wow. It's just wow, wow, wow. I'll be shouting all through this video, guys, because this place is wow. Do you understand?
Let's go to the side and get one.
Okay, okay.
There's water here.
Oh, there's water. Whew. Wow, this place is state of the art. My God. Just look at. Okay.
This you cannot see. All of these things, people don't change them, but now you can't.
Views, man, views. See, there's no edit. Can you see everything? The color is just, the colors are just there on their own, guys. Can you guys see this?
Yeah, this is the frontage of the kitchen, guys. Sorry, the restaurant and kitchen I just showed you guys. This is.
You can see there, say the international restaurant.
Yeah, the international restaurant. So it's the presidential villa we're going to now. Okay, guys, we're going to the presidential villa. You guys, comment down below. Okay, guys, this is the presidential villa, and he says they are bulletproof buildings. That is really awesome. Don't you guys think? They're awesome. Wow. Comment in the comment section down below if this is awesome. If this is awesome.
Like when you are going, you buy this one this time,
so that you
it will ride. It will just be right. For now, as we are here.
I'll give you 200 now. I beg now. I beg now.
Oh, I'm begging.
The bananas are so huge.
Oh, where am I?
They are so big. Guys,
How much?
can you see? She said 200.
200.
You want to give us this one?
We're under sun just minutes ago.
Yeah.
The place is getting.
Just now. The place is getting really cold.
I swear.
See, my hands are freezing now. Clouds are everywhere.
The
Comment
clouds
in the
are
comment section down
closer.
below, guys.
Look at that place was sunny
Yeah.
just now. All this area was sunny just now.
Just change.
Now look at where the sun is. Look at where the sun is. It's over there.
Look at clouds.
Yes, now. The last time we were here, the clouds were not this close, but look at us now.
Down below.
Wow.
It's coming from the valley.
Okay, from down there.
Yes.
See the clouds, guys.
Come in now, come in. I want you to be in the shot. I like this shot.
I'm coming, guys. Just comment in the comment section down below, guys, if this is amazing. And you know it's amazing. You know.
You want to walk up to this point?
Okay.
Okay.
Before we arrive that side, you see all these places to cover.
Yeah.
Oh my God. Like there's sun, there's actually sun,
Yeah.
and then there's clouds. There's clouds, and then it's very cold. It's freezing cold, like you're inside fridge. Like you are inside fridge, literally. I can't with this. Like, look at the sun, guys.
Okay.
Sun kissed. Well, look at. Comment in the comment section down below if you saw that banana. Okay, thank you.
You see, that boy has hired a bike. He has passed like this.
Okay.
I heard men speak different languages and women
Yes.
speak different languages.
No,
That's true.
That is Obudu.
Okay, that's Obudu.
Yeah.
Comment in the comment section down below if that's amazing.
Can you stop saying comment?
No, I cannot stop. They must comment in the comment section down below because that's amazing. How can men be speaking a different language and women another language? I read about it. I read about that thing, I think, on Instagram. That's amazing.
That's a grown-ass woman there.
Comment in the comment section down below if you think this is amazing. You guys, look at. I found this flower. See the flower. It's so pretty. I'm keeping it.
Somebody used to be the manager.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, well done.
Good afternoon. Thank you.
He's asking you how to be.
Oh, fine, thank you.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Okay.
fine, thank you.
I think we are free to go. We are seeing the master. This is the bridge.
Wow.
So we're supposed to work on this.
Yes, we are. This is going to be a very long walk to Babylon. You're close to the ground. Don't worry. Come.
Okay.
Come. Once you pass that place, you don't even have any. You're fine. Come. You're fine. Forget about that one. No, don't worry. Even if anything happens there, look at you. You can look down from there. You can look down. Look at the ground.
Yes.
You can see the ground. You see how close you are. Yeah, come. Nothing. Come, come, come. It made the same sound when I got there. Come.
Very sweet, but it wraps.
Oh, okay, but right now it's not ripe. But you can still eat it.
Oh, it's this fruit like this. Is this sweet?
When it's wrapped, it's sweet.
Okay.
Yes, but now it's not wrapped.
Wow.
But I'll still eat it.
We have fruit this way.
Okay.
So birds fly from that side to this way.
Are you serious?
Yes. We have one. Yeah, this is the cable car.
Oh, look at them.
Yes.
They're actually big in real life. Oh, I thought they used to be very small. Yes.
This is coming in.
Okay.
We are coming and you reach at this bus stop.
Mm.
Slow. Then you come down here, then you bring your baggages this way. It moves with speed. But when it's coming there, when it reaches there, it has to slow
Down.
So, and the number of the cable car, they are 36.
36.
Yeah, this two of these are maintenance. Then one for the governor, one for the president.
Okay.
Then each cable car takes 8 adults.
Oh wow.
4 this way, 4 this way.
Yeah.
But the governor's own takes only 3 people.
Okay.
Yes. We can go in.
Okay. Okay, only the governor and the president's own are bulletproof. The other ones are not bulletproof.
So,
Wow.
when it takes 10 minutes from here to that gate.
10 minutes.
Yes.
Wow.
That
To the main
I
gate.
was telling you where the security is.
Okay.
Oh, we're going in.
Yes.
Oh wow.
Come on, stop.
Okay.
Don't be scared. Go.
That's why I told you.
Force. Hmm.
So now, this is the playground. The sitting.
Okay.
Sitting there, the
Yes.
tables and everything.
Yeah.
We'll be watching at it. How it's running.
Coming up this place.
Guys, can you hear the noise of the water? Comment down below if you can hear it. Bro, but we're coming up this place, eh? Huh. So we want... Woo! That's where I'm taking my picture.
Yeah.
You guys, look at this view. Is this not Maldives? Comment down below if this is Maldives. This is Maldives, guys. No. So you guys, this is the pool, natural pool, where you can swim. It's so lovely, guys, and there's a fireplace by the side. Bro, no, this is so fine. And this is behind me, and then there's another one right on top that way. Goodbye, water. Till we see you next time. Guys, don't comment. Don't comment. This thing is hard to climb. You guys, just coming from the grotto. This thing is not easy. to climb. I don't want to hear any. I thought you used to work out. I thought you used to work out. I used to work out. But if you work out too, you will still breathe heavily. So it's just a sign of good living. Do you understand? So we're leaving the grotto now. We're going off to the holy mountain where he said you can make whatever request you want. You can make whatever request you want and your request will be granted. So trust me to go there and go and make my request. Of course. Whew. Right? Can you see I'm being sun-kissed? Yeah. Now look at behind me. See the clouds. Okay, our bike is here to take us to the holy mountain. Okay, you guys were the gate to the holy mountain. No?
This is a checking point too.
Fire straight.
Churches in any country, church get it today.
So guys, this is the holy mountain. Say a prayer. Amen. You guys, make that back soup. Blast. Guys, I'm done eating. This is the best afang I've ever tasted. Nothing compares to this afang. Look at my teeth. That's to show you ate afang. I'll get to pick. I'll see you guys. You guys, so I just finished eating and they gave me cucumber. So let me enjoy. Let me enjoy. Clear that road, clear that road. My back clear. Okay. Well. If I no go use me a snack for ground. Hey, Babu, look there. I came down. Yeah, Babu, look. Hey, yeah, Babu, look there. Hey, yeah, Babu. Thank you for stopping by at my channel in the comment section down below.
Look at it.
Now let me taste now. I will still give me. Let me taste first, Joe.
No, should we dey see na him first drink?
Nah, wait, she be saying me no go no go.
Wow, this is fine. Is there a kitchen inside?
No.
No kitchen. Wow.
Wow.
Guys,
During
this is
that
gone.
time, it was just a helicopter who comes up and viewed this place.
Wow, it feels like animal, actually.
Yes. It was dry.
Yeah.
And the poor chemical.
Wow, the nail is really Jesus.
You
Mad
don't
though.
want to sit down there, you can come here and sit down and relax.
Do you see the fangs?
Yeah.
Did you see this? Did you
Yes.
see?
Imagine that thing entering.
Let it not enter.
Yes. So that very one, look at it.
Oh.
This is the very man who killed it. You look at it, that very one. So when
Yes.
are you getting it? So when you want to get history.
Wow. I'm going to take a picture of this so I can put it there so my people can read. Hey guys, so I'm just taking a walk. Nature looks so beautiful, you guys. Just damn. Obudu is so cute. Like, you guys, don't bother what anybody tells you. Obudu is beautiful and you should come here. You should definitely visit. So you guys, in case I don't get to make any closing video again, this is my closing video for this video. I don't know if it makes sense, but thank you guys. Please drop comments for me in the comment section below. I don't know why I like this, but just drop comments for me in the comment section below. I hope you guys like my video. And thank you for sticking through. I know I talk too much, but thank you guys for always listening. I love you guys. And see you in my next video.